Welcome back, you beautiful people, to another cocktail vlog. My name is Johnny, this is Simple Drinks. Today we're making a recipe from 1951. It's from Ted Saucier's book, Bottoms Up. It's called Hi Ladies. It's real simple to make. It should be quite good. It has vodka, simple syrup, mint leaves, and lime juice. So without further ado, let's make a Hi Ladies. We're going to start with vodka, 60 ml, 2 ounces. Followed by 3/4 ounce or 22.5 ml of lime juice. Next up is simple syrup, half an ounce, 15 ml. And fourth ingredient, mint leaves, 6, 7, 8. Just give them a little smack, just drop them in. Now we need ice. And we're going to shake the cocktail for 10 to 12 seconds. Beautiful. Now we're going to fine strain it. And garnish with a mint sprig or mint leaves. That's it, ladies and gents, we made Hi Ladies. Cheers! Wow, it's exactly what it is. Vodka, lime juice, simple syrup, mint. It's minty, it's citrusy, it's sweet, and it's boozy. Perfect combination. This is an excellent cocktail. I mean, when you compare it to other similar cocktails like Southside or, I don't know, daiquiris, stuff like that, it's actually pretty good. I mean, if you like vodka, if you like lime juice, simple syrup, and mint, this is perfect cocktail for you. Try it and let me know in the comments below what you think. So guys, another quick and easy recipe. Like I've said at the beginning of the video, Ted Saucier's book Bottoms Up from 1951. Cocktail is called Hi Ladies. It's delicious, real easy to make. 4 ingredients only. What else could you wish for? If you enjoyed the video, hit that like button, don't be lazy, help a brother out. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye.